All right, hello, I'm Matthew Van Horn. I'm a developer for Sleeknote, and my coworker Rega sent me a man crate, so I figured I'd unbox it with you and kind of see what's inside. I don't know, so this will be kind of surprising. The box looks pretty cool. It says fragile, or as we pronounce it, fragile. Warning, contains awesome, may cause excitement, frustration, anger, extreme joy, ridicule, uncontrollable laughter, and intense high fives. Proceed with reckless abandon. I don't know if I'll be high-fiving anyone since I'm by myself, but I'll give it a try. It says, the Emerald City, definitely not from Kansas, so sounds like they've got a sense of humor. Let's kind of see what's inside. Well, the initial place they want you to open it is not where you need to open it. So the causes frustration may be true. So I've gotten a log. Ooh, it opens. We'll look at that in a little bit here. Inside there's a note that says at least one person out of 7.4 billion thinks that you're great. There's probably some more, so that's an encouragement for the day. On the back it says, you put the cool in water cooler, office gossip, keep on co-working. So I think that's a note from my coworker, and so much appreciated there. I think I am cool, so that works. All right, let's open up the log. Living in Minnesota, we're used to a lot of logs out here, so this kind of fits the motif. So let's open it up. Ooh, looks like there is some flannel pajama bottoms, which, you know, in the negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit weather we're having these days, will help keep me warm. Cool. They're called Fly Shacks clothing company. At the end of a long day in the wilderness, you should smell like campfire and dirt with a spirit filled with joy and awe. So some pajama pants, which are cool, and this cool box here. Oh, and actually, if you look on the box here, there's little saw blades that look like they were cutting the log. So that's kind of cool too. So that's the first one she sent me. Let's see. Got another package out here, so let's let this excitement continue. All right. Whoa. Another "You're Great" with a note. Perhaps you've had some time to reconsider some of these. Some of those non-negotiables. Hint, this is a bribe. Don't get that one, but that's awesome. Pro tip, you might want to limber up when opening this. This crate is a stubborn adversary. Capture the struggle on video, then strut your stuff on Facebook and Instagram. That's interesting because there's a mini crowbar in here. I'm excited to see where this goes. And also on here, they help document how I should share all this stuff. Like, you know, we don't know how to post to Instagram. Or as we call it in my house, my kids call it in my house, the facegrams. All right, so it says man crate, and it is a wooden box from Redwood, California. Success starts at the top, and this is the bottom, so I don't think I will be opening this, is what it says, that side. All right, well, it looks like there's some glues and nails and a crowbar. Crowbar doesn't say much, but it looks pretty authentic. Oh, I will try not to hurt myself or the box in the making of this video. They have used a liberal amount of glue. I'm excited what's in here. I'm hoping it's a gold bar for this much effort. Oof. Doesn't look like this side's gonna get in. Ooh, maybe over here. definitely this puts the frust in frustrating. But how many gifts do you get that you get to break up with crowbar? All right, and inside is Saloon nuts. It's a little loud too. Saloon nuts. Let's open this up. All right. So the good, the bad, and the nutty is what it says when you open it up. And it says, a fistful of flavor. The Old West was a lawless frenzy of bank heists and stagecoach shootouts, but no spoils were more sought after than the tongue-tootin', belly-bootin' flavored bonanza of Saloon nuts. So let's see what we got in here. So we've got Billy Butter's toffee almonds. Looks awesome. We've got Sundance's citrus chili, cashews. We've got Annie's honey raspberry almonds. Oh, it just keeps on coming. And we've got Gamblin' Garcia's garlic jalapeno cashews. So that's what looks like in there. And some paper. So that's all I've got. It was an interesting adventure opening this stuff. Definitely unique packaging, and had some fun opening it. So thank you for watching, and thank you, Rika, for sending me some Christmas goodies from Man Crates. Hope you have a good day. Bye.